Traders, we were talking about the trend line breaks earlier using fractal points, and what I just wanted to show you here was you can see here right now you've got a very clear fractal point. Really, it should be from that point to that point. We've got a close above V8, and if we just go over here, where are we? Here we had one from there to there. Okay, a nice little break which was profitable, and we also had, sorry, just on the rush doing these. Okay, there to there, you'd sell after you get a close. Okay, so we'll see how we go with this particular trade here, but you can just see winner, that even though you had a pullback, well, maybe you had a loss on that one actually. So that was the one I think we had a loss, but then you got another fractal break there. Once again, you want to see for a long trade the trend line sloping down, sloping up for a long trade. Short trade, it's a long day. All right, so you can see here you would have entered here just like you would have been long here. Now notice how after these good long moves you're more likely to have a much more reliable break. Okay, so after a good move, okay, long move, break, decent size move, that was also a bounce, and we may get a failure, but let's just wait and see how this goes. But if you look at the win-loss ratio, it's excellent. Actually, just looking at the timing, we're also heading towards the London Open, where you want to be more cautious with volatility and moves, but we're also forming a nice little, what I call a flat bottom here. So we'll just put this on hold and we'll see how this pans out. So traders, I'll wrap this video up now. It's delivered. So as a reminder, fractal point, well actually there's a fractal point there to that point. Close above the 8, you'd be going long here, 1 pip above, and that would have given you your 1-to-1 as a minimum. If you wanted to be conservative, you've got that fractal point to that fractal point. Now remember, I can't remember if I mentioned this earlier, I've just come back from a jog, is that when you've got these big moves, they work even better. So consider adding this to your arsenal as a forex trader. I don't believe they work as well, this strategy on futures, but anyone that gives it a go and does some work on it, I'd love to get your feedback. But we did a lot of work on this in the past, and it was a real just a great strategy. And there of course down here you had a T20, but this is one of these rejection ones. Remember on my earlier video, you've got to watch those pullbacks and the bounce off the 89 and 200 T20, and down here you're getting a T20 now, but it could be a bounce. Let's wrap this up. Before we go though, traders, I've got to quickly once again, understanding the risk. Got to put this on every video, otherwise my attorneys will chase me. So there we go traders, I'll see you on the next video.